Welcome to Tamil Nadu, India, a land of vibrant colors, ancient traditions, and breathtaking landscapes. In the south lies Tamil Nadu, a state steeped in history and renowned for its natural beauty. Tamil Nadu whispers stories of empires long gone, echoing through majestic temples and bustling cities. But beyond the urban heart, nature unveils its own wonders. Imagine emerald green hills shrouded in mist, their slopes carpeted with tea plantations. Picture serene backwaters reflecting the azure sky, while ancient temples stand as testaments to time. Tamil Nadu's diverse landscapes promise an unforgettable journey for every traveler. Whether you seek adventure in the hills, tranquility by the coast, or a glimpse into India's rich cultural tapestry, Tamil Nadu has something extraordinary to offer. Join me as we embark on a visual journey through some of the most captivating scenery this South Indian gem has to offer. Get ready to be mesmerized. Our first stop takes us high above the plains, to the Nilgiri Hills or the Blue Mountains. These majestic hills are part of the Western Ghats, a mountain range that stretches across the states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. The Nilgiri Hills are renowned for their stunning landscapes, rich biodiversity, and cultural heritage. This name, whispered for centuries, comes from the bluish haze enveloping the slopes. This ethereal mist is created by the dense forests and the unique climatic conditions of the region. The blue hue is particularly striking during the early mornings and late evenings, adding a mystical charm to the hills. It's a sight that has captivated travelers for generations. From early explorers to modern-day tourists, the allure of the Nilgiri Hills remains timeless. Visitors come from all over the world to experience the serene beauty and tranquil atmosphere of these mountains. Imagine yourself here, the air cool and crisp, the scent of eucalyptus and pine filling your lungs. The Nilgiri Hills are known for their pleasant climate, making them a perfect escape from the heat of the plains. The refreshing air and the natural aromas create a rejuvenating experience for the mind and body. These hills are home to a unique ecosystem teeming with diverse flora and fauna. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, protects this rich biodiversity. The region is a haven for botanists and wildlife enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the natural wonders of the Western Ghats. The Nilgiri tahr, a rare mountain goat, makes its home among the rocky cliffs. This endangered species is endemic to the Nilgiri Hills and is a symbol of the region's unique wildlife. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect the Nilgiri tahr and its habitat. The hills are also a haven for tea lovers, with sprawling plantations offering breathtaking views. The tea estates of the Nilgiri Hills produce some of the finest teas in the world. Visitors can tour the plantations, learn about the tea-making process, and sample the exquisite flavors of Nilgiri tea. A journey on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must. This historic railway, also known as the Nilgiri Toy Train, offers a unique travel experience. The train ride takes you through some of the most scenic landscapes in the region, with breathtaking views at every turn. The train winds its way through lush valleys and past cascading waterfalls, offering glimpses of life in these remote hills. The journey is a feast for the senses, with the sights and sounds of nature all around. The rhythmic chugging of the train and the stunning vistas create an unforgettable experience. It's a journey back in time, a slow and deliberate exploration of a world untouched by the rush of modern life. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway is a testament to the engineering marvels of the past, and a reminder of the simple pleasures of travel. As the train meanders through the hills, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the Nilgiri Hills. Next, we venture to Kodaikanal, lovingly dubbed the Princess of Hill Stations. This charming hill station, located in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, is a haven for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its cool climate, lush landscapes, and serene atmosphere, Kodaikanal has been a favorite destination for travelers for decades. Nestled amidst the Palani Hills, Kodaikanal offers a tranquil escape from the tropical heat. The town is situated at an elevation of about 2,133 meters above sea level, providing a refreshing climate throughout the year. The Palani Hills are part of the Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. As you explore Kodaikanal, you'll be surrounded by rolling hills, dense forests, and picturesque valleys. Picture yourself strolling along the shores of Kodai Lake, its placid waters reflecting the surrounding greenery. This man-made lake, created in 1863 by Sir Vere Henry Levinge, a former collector of Madurai, is the heart of Kodaikanal. The lake is spread over 60 acres and is a popular spot for boating, fishing, and picnicking. The 5-kilometer path around the lake is perfect for a leisurely walk or a bicycle ride, offering stunning views at every turn. The air here is filled with the scent of eucalyptus and pine, invigorating both body and soul. Kodaikanal's forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The eucalyptus trees, with their distinctive aroma, and the towering pines create a serene and refreshing environment. The mist that often envelops the forests adds a touch of magic to the landscape, making every moment spent here feel like a scene from a fairy tale. Adventure seekers can embark on hikes through dense forests, discovering hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. Kodaikanal offers a range of trekking trails, from easy walks to challenging hikes, catering to all levels of fitness and experience. Some popular trails include the trek to Dolphin's Nose, a flat rock projecting over a breathtaking chasm, and the hike to Vaticanal Falls, a beautiful waterfall hidden deep within the forest. Each trail offers its own unique rewards, from stunning vistas to the chance to spot wildlife. For those seeking a more relaxed pace, a leisurely boat ride on the lake is the perfect way to soak in the scenery. Rowboats and pedal boats are available for rent, allowing you to glide across the calm waters and take in the beauty of the surrounding hills and forests. The gentle lapping of the water and the chirping of birds create a soothing soundtrack, making it easy to unwind and forget about the stresses of everyday life. Kodaikanal is also home to the Nilgiri Hills Temple, perched atop a hill, offering breathtaking views of the valley below. This temple, dedicated to Lord Murugan, is a significant pilgrimage site for devotees. The temple's serene atmosphere and stunning location make it a must-visit for anyone traveling to Kodaikanal. From the temple, you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding hills and valleys, making it a perfect spot for photography and quiet contemplation. The temple is dedicated to Lord Murugan, and the surrounding hills are said to bloom with the rare Kurinji flower once every 12 years, painting the landscape in a vibrant shade of blue. The Kurinji flower, also known as Nila Kurinji, is a unique plant that blooms only once in its lifetime, creating a spectacular display that attracts visitors from all over the world. The sight of the hills covered in a carpet of blue flowers is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience, adding to the allure and mystique of Kodaikanal. Section 4, Queen of the Hills, Ooty. Nestled in the heart of the Nilgiri Hills, Ooty is a picturesque hill station that has earned the title Queen of the Hills for its stunning landscapes and serene ambience. Our journey through the hills continues to Ooty, the Queen of the Hills. As we drive through the winding roads, the lush green hills and the cool, crisp air welcome us, offering a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. This charming hill station, nestled amidst the Nilgiri Hills, was once a favourite summer retreat for the British. The colonial architecture, with its quaint cottages and grand mansions, tells tales of a bygone era when the British sought refuge here from the sweltering heat of the plains. Today, it continues to enchant visitors with its colonial charm and breathtaking scenery. The streets of Ooty are lined with charming colonial-era houses, each with its own unique story and architectural beauty, making every stroll through the town a journey back in time. Imagine yourself strolling through the botanical garden, home to over 1,000 species of plants. This verdant oasis is a haven for nature lovers, offering a peaceful retreat where you can marvel at the diverse flora, from exotic orchids to ancient ferns. Lose yourself in the vibrant colors of the rose garden, where over 2,000 varieties of roses bloom in fragrant splendor. The garden is a riot of colors, with roses of every hue imaginable, creating a sensory feast for both the eyes and the nose. Or take a ride on the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, for panoramic views of the surrounding hills. This heritage train, with its vintage carriages and steam engine, offers a nostalgic journey through the scenic landscapes, making it a must-do experience in Ooty. Ooty is also famous for its tea plantations, which carpet the hillsides in a sea of green. The sight of the neatly manicured tea bushes stretching as far as the eye can see is truly mesmerizing, and the cool climate of Ooty provides the perfect conditions for growing high-quality tea. A visit to a tea factory is a must, where you can learn about the process of tea production from leaf to cup and savor the aroma of freshly brewed tea. The guided tours offer fascinating insights into the art and science of tea making, and you can even sample some of the finest teas produced in the region, making it a delightful experience for tea enthusiasts. Don't miss a visit to Ooty Lake, a serene spot perfect for a leisurely boat ride. The calm waters of the lake, surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills, provide a tranquil setting for relaxation and reflection. Whether you choose to paddle a boat or simply sit by the shore, the beauty of Ooty Lake is sure to captivate your senses. Explore the local markets of Ooty, where you can find a variety of handicrafts, homemade chocolates, and fresh produce. The bustling streets are filled with vibrant colors and the aroma of local delicacies, offering a glimpse into the daily life and culture of the people of Ooty. End your day with a visit to Dodabetta Peak, the highest point in Ooty, for a breathtaking sunset view. The panoramic vistas from the peak are simply awe-inspiring, with the town of Ooty spread out below and the surrounding hills bathed in the golden glow of the setting sun. It's the perfect way to conclude your journey through this enchanting hill station. Section 5, Coastal Charm, Mahabalipuram. Leaving the cool embrace of the hills, we journey to the coastal town of Mahabalipuram, where history whispers on the shores of the Bay of Bengal. Here, ancient rock-cut temples stand as testaments to a glorious past. Imagine yourself strolling along the sandy beaches, the salty breeze in your hair, as you marvel at the intricate carvings of the Shore Temple. These architectural marvels, dating back to the 7th century AD, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temples seem to rise organically from the granite boulders, a testament to the skill and artistry of the Pallava dynasty. The 5 Rathas, a complex of 5 monolithic temples carved in the shape of chariots, are another must-see. And no visit to Mahabalipuram is complete without witnessing the sunrise over the Bay of Bengal, bathing the Shore Temple in a golden glow.